Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 0x80070643, which is a common Windows Update error. Now without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, and here we need to type services. Now you'll find the services under the best match. Just go ahead and click on that. Now here in the services window, we need to check some services which are in the W section. So scroll down to the W section. And we need to look first for the Windows Event Collector, this one. Make a right click, select Properties. Startup type, change that to Automatic. Service status, if it is not yet running on your Windows, you have to click on Start. Click on Apply and click on OK. Also for the Windows Event Log, make a right click, select Properties, Startup type, that should be automatic, and you have to click on Start to make this service running. Click on Apply, click on OK, and scroll down to the Windows Update Service. This one. Make a right click, select Properties, Startup type, change that to automatic, then click on Start. Click on Apply and click on OK. And then close this window, and then make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD, which stands for Command Prompt. Now on the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator for the commands to work. And here I have some commands that we need to paste one by one, so just simply follow me. This will also be posted in the description section of this video. Now let me just minimize this. Okay, so let's start with the first command. scconfig wuauserv start equals auto. And then make a right click on the command prompt. Okay. Now for the next command. And then simply. Okay, and for the third command, you just need to make a right click. And then make a right click. Then for the last command, so we have only 4 commands from here. And then make a right click. And that's it. Now type exit, hit enter, and then finally make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows, and for sure the problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.